بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام ميم را تلك آيات الكتاب والذي أنزل إليك من ربك الحق ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
Alif Lam Mim Ra. These are the verses of the divine book. Whatever has been revealed to you from your Lord is the truth, and yet most of your people do not believe.
الله الذي رفع السماوات بغير عمد ترونها ثم استوى على العرش وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى يدبر الأمر يفصل الآيات لعلكم بلقاء ربكم توقنون.
It is Allah who has raised the heavens without any supports that you could see, and then He established Himself on the throne of dominion. And He it is who has made the sun and the moon subservient to a law, each running its course till an appointed term. He governs the entire order of the universe and clearly explains the signs that you may be firmly convinced about meeting your Lord.
وهو الذي مد الأرض وجعل فيها رواسي وأنهارا ومن كل الثمرات جعل فيها زوجين اثنين يغشي الليل النهار إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يتفكرون.
He it is who has stretched out the earth and has placed in it firm mountains and has caused the rivers to flow. He has made every fruit in pairs, two and two, and He it is who causes the night to cover the day. Surely there are signs in these for those who reflect.
وفي الأرض قطع متجاورات وجنات من أعناب وزرع ونخيل صنوان وغير صنوان يسقى بماء واحد ونفضل بعضها على بعض في الأكل إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
And on the earth there are many tracts of land neighboring each other. There are on it vineyards and sown fields and date palms, some growing in clusters from one root, some standing alone. They are irrigated by the same water, and yet we make some excel others in taste. Surely there are signs in these for a people who use their reason.
وَإِن تَعْجَبْ فَعَجَبٌ قَوْلُهُمْ أَإِذَا كُنَّا تُرَابًا أَإِنَّا لَفِي خَلْقٍ جَدِيدٍ أُولَئِكَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِرَبِّهِمْ وَأُولَئِكَ الْأَغْلَالُ فِي أَعْنَاقِهِمْ وَأُولَئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ.
And were you to wonder, then wondrous indeed is the saying of those who say, "What? After we have been reduced to dust, shall we be created afresh?" They are the ones who disbelieved in their Lord. They are the ones who shall have shackles around their necks. They shall be the inmates of the fire, wherein they will abide forever.
ويستعجلونك بالسيئة قبل الحسنة وقد خلت من قبلهم المثلات وإن ربك لذو مغفرة للناس على ظلمهم وإن ربك لشديد العقاب.
They challenge you to hasten the coming of evil upon them before the coming of any good, although people who followed a like course before had met with exemplary punishment from Allah. Verily, your Lord is forgiving to mankind, despite all their wrongdoing. Verily, your Lord is also severe in retribution.
ويقول الذين كفروا لولا أنزل عليه آية من ربه إنما أنت منذر ولكل قوم هاد.
Those who refuse to believe in you, why has no miraculous sign been sent down upon him from his Lord? You are only a warner, and every people has its guide.
الله يعلم ما تحمل كل أنثى وما تغيض الأرحام وما تزداد وكل شيء عنده بمقدار.
Allah knows what every female bears, and what the wombs fall short of in gestation, and what they may add. With him everything is in a fixed measure.
عالم الغيب والشهادة الكبير المتعال.
He knows both what is hidden and what is manifest. He is the Supreme One, the Most High.
سواء منكم من أسر القول ومن جهر به ومن هو مستخف بالليل وسارب بالنهار.
It is all the same for him whether any of you says a thing secretly or says it loudly, and whether one hides oneself in the darkness of night or struts about in broad daylight.
له معقبات من بين يديه ومن خلفه يحفظونه من أمر الله إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم وإذا أراد الله بقوم سوءا فلا مرد له وما لهم من دونه من وال.
There are guardians over everyone, both before him and behind him, who guard him by Allah's command. Verily, Allah does not change a people's condition unless they change their inner selves. And when Allah decides to make a people suffer punishment, no one can avert it, nor can any be of help to such a people against Allah.
هو الذي يريكم البرق خوفا وطمعا وينشئ السحاب الثقال.
He it is who causes you to see lightning that inspires you with both fear and hope, and he it is who whips up heavy clouds.
ويسبح الرعد بحمده والملائكة من خيفته ويرسل الصواعق فيصيب بها من يشاء وهم يجادلون في الله وهو شديد المحال.
The thunder celebrates His praise and holiness, and the angels too celebrate His praise for awe of Him. He hurls thunderbolts, striking with them whom He wills, while they are engaged in disputation concerning Allah. He is mighty in His contriving.
له دعوة الحق والذين يدعون من دونه لا يستجيبون لهم بشيء إلا كباسط كفيه إلى الماء ليبلغ فاه وما هو ببالغه وما دعاء الكافرين إلا في ضلال.
To Him alone should all prayer be addressed. For those to whom they do address, their prayers beside Him are altogether powerless to respond to them. The example of praying to any other than Allah is that of a man who stretches out his hands to water, asking it to reach his mouth, although water has no power to reach his mouth. The prayers of the unbelievers are a sheer waste.
ولله يسجد من في السماوات والأرض طوعا وكرها وظلالهم بالغدو والآصال.
All that is in the heavens and the earth prostrates itself, whether willingly or by force, before Allah, and so do their shadows in the morning and in the evening.
قل من رب السماوات والأرض قل الله قل أفاتخذتم من دونه أولياء لا يملكون لأنفسهم نفعا ولا ضرا قل هل يستوي الأعمى والبصير أم هل تستوي الظلمات والنور أم جعلوا لله شركاء خلقوا كخلقه فتشابه الخلق عليهم قل الله خالق كل شيء وهو الواحد القهار.
Ask them, who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth? Say, Allah. Tell them, have you taken beside Him as your patrons those who do not have the power to benefit or to hurt even themselves? Say, can the blind and the seeing be deemed equals? Or can light and darkness be deemed equals? If that is not so, then have those whom they associate with Allah in His divinity ever created anything like what Allah did, so that the question of creation has become dubious to them? Say, Allah is the creator of everything. He is the one, the irresistible.
أنزل من السماء ماء فسالت أودية بقدرها فاحتمل السيل زبدا رابيا ومما يوقدون عليه في النار ابتغاء حلية أو متاع زبد مثله كذلك يضرب الله الحق والباطل فأما الزبد فيذهب جفاء وأما ما ينفع الناس فيمكث في الأرض كذلك يضرب الله الأمثال.
Allah sends down water from the heavens, and the riverbeds flow, each according to its measure, and the torrent carries along a swelling scum. In like manner from that metal which they smelt in the fire to make ornaments and utensils, there arises scum like it. Thus does Allah depict truth and falsehood. As for the scum, it passes away as dross, but that which benefits mankind abides on the earth. Thus does Allah explain the truth through examples.
للذين استجابوا لربهم الحسنى والذين لم يستجيبوا له لو أن لهم ما في الأرض جميعا ومثله معه لافتدوا به أولئك لهم سوء الحساب ومأواهم جهنم وبئس المهاد.
There is good reward for those who respond to the call of their Lord, and those who do not respond to their Lord. A time will come when they shall offer all they have, even if they have all the riches of the world, and the like of it besides, to redeem themselves from the chastisement of Allah. They will be subjected to a severe reckoning, and hell shall be their refuge. What a wretched resting place it is.
أفمن يعلم أنما أنزل إليك من ربك الحق كمن هو أعمى إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب.
He who knows that the book which has been sent to you from your Lord is the truth, is he like him who is blind to that truth? It is only people of understanding who take heed.
الذين يوفون بعهد الله ولا ينقضون الميثاق.
Those who fulfill their covenant with Allah and do not break their compact after firmly confirming it.